So once you make an account with Acura Home Electric, what's going to end up happening, it's going to take you to this page right here. You're going to enter your address, and then it's going to take you to select your chargers. You'll see that in the next clip of the video. So kind of follow along if you please. All right, so I made an account with the Acura Home Electric. I entered an address, just a random address. I put 7795 Glen Trio Drive, just a random address inside there. After I did that, it told me to select one of the three. And I ended up selecting the EV charger. So let's go to view project real quick. I should have did it from the beginning. So, okay, now it's gonna ask you, confirm your package. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take the purchase Acura EV with package A. Okay. We're gonna go to continue, and then we're gonna select the ZDX. Next, do you own the property? Whether you do or not, just say yes. If there's a dedicated meter or electrical panel to the property, so you probably say yes. Just fill this out however you please. Okay. Let's see what else it said. Installation questions. Let's just say it's not sure and not sure. Next. And now, which best describes the location? Just press, I just say other, not sure. Okay. Now it's saying more installation questions. Greater, I don't know, choose any one of these. Sorry for the background noises. And then how strong is the Wi-Fi signal? Just, I guess, excellent. Next, do you have solar panels installed? Whether you do or not, you can go ahead, or let's just say no. And then, are you interested in offsetting the cost of the EV? Just press no. You got to go through all this stuff. Go submit. Now it's asking for upload photos to continue. No commitment has been no commitment. There should be a part that says that you do not want, let's see. Yeah, we'll make this in a 2-part video. I'll send the next one in a second. All right, so back to the video. So now that we're at this part, it says not installing with us, complete order, and it should be charged shipped directly to you. So just put order charger only. It says order charger only. Okay, and then I would just collect this. And I don't want to go any further than this just because this is not my place. I just made a random account. So yes. So this is as far as I can take you, but this will get you as far as you need to be.